Depression, loneliness, even mental illness, these facts often get unseen in Bollywood movies, but still in the modern era of Bollywood, especially from the past decade, we could find several movies portraying these emotions so well.
मैं 9 साल की थी घर में
You are watching IUS. Here we have listed down the 7 Bollywood movies that portray depression and loneliness so well, sorted alphabetically. Dear Zindagi.
मेरे डैड हर संडे मुझे यहाँ लाया करते थे समुद्र से कबड्डी खेलने।
समुद्र से कबड्डी।
This 2016 feature, directed by Gauri Shinde, is one of those few Bollywood movies that try to bring mental illness through a mainstream tale. The Dear Zindagi is beautiful as how it portrays mental illness as a common problem in human being and how it needs to be talked about and cured. Alia Bhatt and Shah Rukh Khan both gave a chilling performance in this well-written picture that deserves even more attention. Lutera. One of the finest directors from past decade, Vikramaditya Motwane's second feature, Lutera, basically portrayed a lot of themes inside one. Especially its second half portrayed depression so well through the eyes of the character of Sonakshi Sinha.
गुजर गए।
कैसे?
तुमने उन्हें मार डाला जैसे तुमने देव को मार डाला।
Lutera portrays the tale of an aristocrat's daughter who falls in love with a visiting archaeologist. Depression and loneliness, basically both these two elements, are so well reflected in this movie, and thanks to the writing and extraordinary direction from Motwane.
अगर वो पत्ती गिर गई तो
नहीं गिरेगी। ये मेरा वादा है।
The Lunchbox. So well made and also really heartfelt. The Lunchbox is so well performed too. Irfan Khan here played as a lonely man whose life is always on the same track. His life turns when he gets a mistaken delivery of a tiffin box from a housewife. Small detailed writing showed the loneliness and common life of the character of Irfan Khan, and that's what made the Lunchbox special.
It was like my grandfather had been there. But he had not. It was just me.
Ritesh Batra's direction and beautiful writing are the resource of this movie, and also the performance of Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Nimrat Kaur made it even more a film to be loved.
I wanted to come up to you and tell you all this in person, but I just watched you wait.
Masaan. Surprisingly loved and a well-known Bollywood feature, Masaan is all about love, loss, sadness and even depression.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।
Absolutely flawless performance and amazing writing make it a masterpiece in Bollywood cinema. Rarely Bollywood movies have come this far to show the beauty of melancholia as Masaan did with phenomenal Vicky Kaushal and Richa Chadda. The movie portrays two parallel stories that both are about love, loss and grief. Neeraj Gewan received his Best Debutant Director Award in National Award 2016 that was definitely well deserved. October. Released in the year of 2018, Sujit Sircar's October was a surprising box office hit but definitely could not reach everyone.
हाँ तो ऐसे ही रखिए। Maybe she wants to live. Maybe क्या? 100%. मतलब और कोई क्यों डिसाइड करेगा उसके लिए?
The film was layered with so many elements, and the character of Varun Dhawan as Dan portrayed the loneliness and emotions so amazingly via Juhi Chaturvedi's exceptional writing.
है ना उस दिन था नहीं।
October is one of such rare Bollywood movies that try to explain new genres. It's a courageous attempt and the performances are so sharp, mostly from Banita Sadhu. Above all, October basically a film that talks about love expands through depression and loneliness as well.
गर्लफ्रेंड है तुम्हारी? हाँ?
Phobia. Psychological thrillers are often rare in Bollywood, and to us, Phobia is one of the best among them.
बिल्ली से इतना डर लगा।
बहुत डरती हूँ मैं बिल्ली से। प्लीज कम।
The performance and script are clearly top-notch here. The film portrays the tale of an acrophobic woman who is stuck in an apartment as her treatment, but starts finding out a lot of bizarre but weird stuffs.
मैं कल कर दूं। I'm a bit busy today.
नहीं तुमने कहा था ना मुझे। प्रॉब्लम हो रही है ना मुझे। प्रॉब्लम हो रही है मुझे।
I'll just get my toolkit.
नहीं चाहिए।
Mehak, played amazingly by Radhika Apte, is the pillar of this film, whose mental illness is all the reason of the depression and loneliness. The way Radhika Apte portrayed the fears and anxiety in little moments are simply phenomenal. Udaan. Finally, on our list, Udaan is Vikramaditya Motwane's one of the perfect movies. Even it can be considered as one of the perfect movies in India. Udaan tells the story of a 16-year-old boy who is suspended from his boarding school, returns to his abusive and possessive father.
समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ नहीं जी जी क्या
जी सर
The character of the boy Rohan shows how it feels to be alone somewhere with no friends and an evil father. All the pressure puts him down to the misery, and finally his anger starts rising. The performance from Ronit Roy is the most precious thing about this film, and movies like Udaan actually makes Bollywood one step further.
चढ़ती लहरें लांग न पाए क्यों हाँफती सी नाव है तेरी
Hey, that's the video. Hope you have liked it. Check out other areas list as well, and if you like them, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.